Welcome back to the channel as we dive into this powerful golden rose electric spin scrubber. This cordless tool features a motor reaching up to 500 RPM for deep cleaning. Its large 4000 mAh battery provides 90 minutes of continuous power on a single charge. You can easily adjust or detach the handle to reach high ceilings and tight corners. 7 interchangeable brush heads are included to tackle every surface from tiles to delicate floors. The cordless design allows you to move freely between rooms without worrying about tangled wires. Make your cleaning routine faster and more effective with this versatile and stylish household tool. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.